Hey guys, welcome back. It's Megan here at the Butterbean Shop. I am going to make a cold process soap. Not sure what I'm going to name this one yet. It's scented with Juniper Breeze from Rustic Escentuals. It is a dupe from Bath & Body Works. So like back in the day, I'm really dating myself, but back in the day, Juniper Breeze was one of my favorite scents. They do not sell it anymore. It's been discontinued for probably over a decade now, but it is one of my favorite scents. It's a floral. It's fresh and sweet and very crisp. And I love this scent. Like, I love it. I love it in body washes, soaps, sugar scrubs. I just love it because it's not too sweet and it's not too sharp and floral. It's just the perfect blend of both. So I made this soap, or I made a soap with this fragrance probably about 3 years ago, and I haven't made one since. The first time I made it, it performed totally perfect. It didn't have any issues. It didn't accelerate. It didn't rise. It didn't do anything. The second time I made it, it went really fast. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work out today. I'm only doing 2 colors since I'm not sure. I'm gonna be using Peacock from Mad Micah's, one of my very favorites. I actually bought a 4-ounce container of this, so I just wanna use this up. And it's just beautiful. And then I have titanium dioxide. I get my titanium dioxide from Nurture soap. Also Wholesale Supplies Plus has a good one, but I like the one from Nurture soap the best. And I just pre-mixed it with distilled water. And then I have my melted oils here. We're going to do our soap with half coconut milk and half goat milk. I substituted 12 ounces of my full water weight. And then I have my lye solution, which is, it's a golden color because I use 100% aloe vera juice. So it creates this like foam on the top. You'll see it when I pour it in. It's gonna plop in. I don't strain it out or anything. It's does not, for me, it's not a big deal. But it creates this kind of golden amber color, like a beer. Don't know why it does that. I'm not a scientist, but it only does that when I use aloe vera juice. So I'm also going to add some white kaolin clay to my melted oils, blend them up with the milks, and then, you know, get to making some soap. So yeah. All right, I'll go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and add my milks now before I add my lye so that I can make sure it gets blended thoroughly in, because it's quite chunky. That's the coconut milk. Go ahead and blend this in. Okay, so I feel like that has been thoroughly blended in. I don't see any chunks or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my lye solution. I do have sodium lactate. See, there goes that clump I was talking about. I do have some sodium lactate in here, and that is basically to help harden the soap and to get it out of the mold faster. It's just an additive that I use in there. I don't really make soap without it. You can use salt too, but I prefer the sodium lactate. It's just basically salt. It's like a salt solution, but you can use salt and you can achieve the same results. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there, and I'm only gonna blend this up until the oils and the lye combine without separating. I don't want to bring this up to trace yet because, like I said before, I don't necessarily know how this fragrance is going to perform. Okay, and that's good. It's just a quick buzz just to bring it together. Ugh, break apart. Okay. And let me scrape off my stick blender. Put that in a container. Okay, so this is just up to being emulsified. It is not to a trace quite yet. Almost there though. And I'm gonna go ahead and divide this into 2 containers. Okay, I think that's good. I actually didn't want that much color. I'm doing it in the pot swirl, so I didn't want that much color. I think that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my color. And then the white. Not that much white. I don't mind it if it's just a cream color. So because I don't necessarily know how it's going to perform, what I want to do is pour in the fragrance oil and give it a little blend while I do it, because I don't know if it's going to rice, and this might help with the ricing. And I'm just going to pulse it just a little bit. Could probably add just a little bit more white. A little bit more. Okay. So that is up to a nice trace there. I'm going to do the same thing here. All right, looks like it's doing good. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape this off. So it is thickening up. That's fine. I'm doing it in the pot swirl. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up to pour this in. Most of it there. Some there. Save the rest of a little bit for the top. And then I'm gonna give this a quick stir. That's gonna look really nice. And I'll get my mold over here. And then I will start the pour. So it doesn't look like much now, but I think it's gonna be fine. So the white was a little bit thicker than the teal. Make sure I spread this Yeah, it really thickened up quickly. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the top, to be quite honest with you. It's so thick now. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this top. We might just have to see, even this is kind of loose. So let me see if I can it's really chunky now, guys. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. It's not like too bad to where you couldn't do anything with the top, but it was almost there. So let me just clean off. Sides. And you know what? I think I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter on the top. So I'm gonna use this Sparkle Me Aqua from Mad Micas. Wow. That's a lot. I will bring you guys back for the cut after this rest for about 24 hours. All right, see you in a minute.